What's up, guys? So today we're going on an air show. I'll start filming when we get there. Guys, we are here. First up, we see skydivers. After that, we see C-17 Globemaster 3. After, we see Air G gritters doing some crazy moves. Getting ready to jump from a parachute.
Now, every command that he gives is not only verbal, but it's visual too, just in case, because it's loud up there. Wind is rushing in and it's dark. Usually at the time we're jumping, it's dark. Check equipment. Check equipment. At this point in time, the jumpers are checking to make sure that their helmet isn't going to come off. They hit their canopy release assemblies. If they don't hear this nice hollow sound, that means this thing might not be corrected right. At this point in time, there is no fixing. You unclip and go to the front of the aircraft, you're not jumping. Sound off for equipment check. Sound off for equipment check. Now he can't. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Jumpers go to exit. This is it. We go to exit. We're going to be going like this. We're going to jump and put our hands on the side of our imaginary reserve. That's nice and high. All this wind is going to be coming off here. What you want to do is jump like that, and it's going to turn you like a rudder. If you stay nice and balled up, you're not going to get twisted. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. And then you're going to land kind of like what we land, where you're just going to ball up and kind of twist your body. And you're done. And then we get something cold to drink, right? All right. Stand by. Stand by. Go.
You guys. Well, ladies and gentlemen, on stage with us right now, please give it up for the RV-8 pilot hammerhead, Mr. Galen Killam. I love flying. I love getting in RV-8. Every day when I'm at home, I'm in the air. I just love it. It's so relaxing for me to be up there. I know that's so cool.
Now it's time for the Thunderbirds. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next video.